Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the bobble stitch. Bobbles are a great way to add some fun texture to your project. Here are a few examples of how I've used this stitch in my design. First is this monkey with a bobble for his thumb. Then I have this bowl of guacamole where I used bobbles to make it look more realistic. And finally, I have this string of pearls plant where I used the bobble stitch to mimic the pearls. To begin, you're going to start by yarning over. Then you're going to insert your hook into the stitch under both loops. Yarn over again and pull through, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and you'll have 2 loops remaining on your hook. Now we're going to repeat that step 4 more times until we have 6 loops remaining on our hook. So I'm going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over again and pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2. Now I have 6 loops on my hook. To complete the bobble stitch, you're just going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. And that's how you make a bobble stitch. It doesn't look like much of a bobble right now, but as I continue to crochet, the bump will start to poke out. And you can even manually pull the bobble out. And that's how you make a bobble stitch. Don't forget that you can always adjust the playback speed of this video if you need it to be a bit slower. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!